Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate read aloud. Start by heating milk to about 160 degrees F, then whisk in cocoa, sugar, and a pinch of salt until smooth. Taste and adjust sweetness, then add vanilla or a splash of cream for silkiness. I'll guide you through simmering, frothing, and serving, plus tips for dairy alternatives and chocolate types so your hot chocolate always sounds and tastes delightful. Gather cocoa, sugar, milk, and a pinch of salt, and choose any optional flavors like vanilla or cinnamon. Measure carefully so your spoken recipe matches what's in the cup. If you prefer richer drinks, add chopped chocolate or a splash of cream. For dairy-free options, use almond or oat milk and adjust sweetness slightly. I'll narrate each step so listeners can follow confidently while the aroma builds in the kitchen. Begin by whisking cocoa, sugar, and salt together to ensure even distribution and no lumps. Slowly warm the milk over medium-low heat until steam rises, then whisk in the dry mix until fully dissolved. Stir constantly to avoid scorching, and once thickened, add optional vanilla or chocolate pieces and whisk until silky. Finally, froth the surface for a cafe-style finish and pour into mugs while.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.